Hi, I'm Julie, a massage business coach, former massage business owner and massage therapist, and digital marketing strategist and business strategist. And if your business has felt scattered, slow, or heavier than it should this year, I want you to know something important. There's probably nothing wrong with you, your work, or your dedication. And of course, you know this already. Most wellness providers are not stuck because they're unmotivated. They're stuck because they're carrying invisible weight in three key areas. Let's talk about them. And more importantly, let's talk about how to fix them. Reason one, unclear messaging. This is the number one source of friction. You have to be speaking to your ideal client, and you have to know who your ideal client is, the problems they have, and how you solve their problems for them. If people land on your Instagram or website and can't tell who you help, what you do, and why it matters, they won't book. Not because they don't like you, but because it's too much mental effort to understand what you're offering. Clear messaging does three things instantly. It reduces anxiety for potential clients, it builds trust before they ever meet you, it makes your marketing 10 times easier to maintain. A clearer message doesn't require a rebrand. It simply is refining how you talk about your work so the right clients can recognize themselves. Reason number two, no clear plan or rhythm. Most wellness providers are operating in reaction mode. One week they post, the next week they forget. One month they're focused on visibility, the next month they're drowning in admin or burnout. The truth is, you don't need more hustle or stuff on your plate. You need a plan, a structure that shows you what to do and when, without the guesswork. When you have a simple weekly rhythm, your visibility becomes consistent. You know exactly what to focus on. You stop reinventing your business every single day, month, or year. You feel calmer, clearer, and in control. A plan doesn't restrict you, it frees you. Reason three, disorganized business foundations. This is the quiet one because you don't see it until it's causing you real problems. Your website, your Google, your business profile, your offers, these pieces are your digital employees. If they're unclear or outdated, you end up doing double the work in your DMs, in your inbox, in your content, in your sessions, and definitely in your marketing. When your foundations are aligned, your website answers questions before clients even ask. Your offers feel cohesive and intentional. Your Google presence actually brings in new people without you doing anything. Your marketing becomes lighter because everything works together. Most providers feel stuck not because they're doing too little, but because they're doing too much manually and chaotically. Your foundations are supposed to do the heavy lifting for you. This is exactly why I created the 30-day business reset. It's a personalized reset that gives you clarity, structure, and momentum without burnout, pressure, or starting over. Inside, you'll get a full audit of your marketing website, Google presence, and your offers. A personalized 30-day action plan that's super easy to follow based on your actual goals and gaps. A focused 30-minute deep dive call where we refine your plan together and make sure it is completely implementable. One full week of email support while you start implementing to make sure all your bases are covered. These are clear, simple steps you can complete in just minutes per day. Not overly technical, super easy to follow. I'll give you tailored recommendations for your business and your ideal clients, not a generic template. A clean, supportive reset that removes the noise and gives you clear direction forward. And because I want you to keep that momentum going, when you join right now, you'll also get your first month of the 15-minute marketing club free. So you have weekly support and simple tasks to stay consistent long after your reset is complete. If your business feels heavy, unclear, or like you're constantly starting over, this is your reset point. You can join using the link in the description. And if you're unsure whether the reset or messaging refresh is the best next step, just give me an email. thealignedpractice@gmail.com, and I'll guide you and answer any questions you have. You deserve clarity. You deserve momentum. And your future clients deserve a business that actually supports you.